Kaptai Lake, a jewel of Bangladesh. Nestled in the heart of the Chittagong Hill Tracts, this lake is a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Its tranquil waters and picturesque surroundings make it a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Sparkling water stretches as far as the eye can see. The sun dances on the surface, creating a mesmerizing display of light and shadow. It's a sight that captivates the soul and brings a sense of peace and tranquility. Emerald hills stand guard, their reflections shimmering on the surface. These hills, covered in lush greenery, add to the lake's enchanting beauty. They are silent witnesses to the passage of time, standing tall and proud. But this beauty holds a hidden sorrow. The calm surface of the lake hides a history of loss and transformation. It's a place where beauty and melancholy coexist, creating a poignant and haunting atmosphere. Beneath the surface lies a lost world. The waters have swallowed entire villages, temples, and forests, preserving them in a watery grave. These submerged remnants are silent testaments to a bygone era. Villages, temples, and forests now sleep beneath the waves. The lake's depths hold stories of lives once lived, of communities that thrived before the waters claimed them. It's a submerged world, frozen in time. In 1962, the Karnaphuli River was dammed. This monumental event changed the landscape forever, creating Kaptai Lake and altering the lives of countless people. The construction of the dam was a symbol of progress, but it came with a heavy price. Progress came at a cost, creating the lake and submerging a rich tapestry of life. The rising waters engulfed homes, farmlands, and sacred sites, leaving behind a transformed and submerged world. The lake stands as a testament to human ambition and the sacrifices made in its pursuit. The lake is a reminder of the past and the lives that were forever changed. It calls us to reflect on the impact of our actions and to cherish the delicate balance between progress and preservation, a reminder of the past and a call to protect the future. Kaptai Lake is not just a place of beauty, it's a symbol of resilience and a testament to the enduring spirit of nature and humanity. As we admire its splendor, let us also remember the stories it holds and strive to protect its legacy for generations to come.
Rumana, a young environmental scientist, gazed at the lake. Her heart ached for the lost stories hidden in its depths. Her mission to study the lake's ecosystem, to understand how it had adapted to this dramatic change. She wanted to learn from the past, to find a way for nature and progress to coexist. Rumana knew the lake held secrets that could help protect it for generations to come.
Arif, a civil engineer, arrived at the lake. He was there to inspect the Karnaphuli Dam, a marvel of engineering. He was fascinated by its power. The dam brought electricity and progress to the region. He bumped into Rumana, drawn by her passion for the lake. They shared stories, their different perspectives weaving a common thread. Arif, the builder, and Rumana, the protector, both connected by the lake and its mysteries.
Together, they embarked on an adventure. Donning scuba gear, they plunged into the cool, clear water. The submerged world unfolded before them. Sunken trees reached up like ghostly fingers. Schools of fish darted through the branches. And then they saw it. The outline of a building, a whisper from the past. It was a temple, its stone carving still visible. The sight was both eerie and beautiful, a poignant reminder of the life that once thrived here.
Section 8. The Tunnel of Progress. Arif stood inside the Karnaphuli Tunnel, a marvel of modern engineering. The tunnel stretched out before him, its smooth concrete walls illuminated by bright, efficient lighting. It was a sight to behold, a testament to human capability and vision. This underwater tunnel, a symbol of progress, ran beneath the lake. It was an ambitious project, designed to connect distant shores and bring people closer together. The tunnel's construction was a feat of engineering, overcoming numerous challenges posed by the underwater environment. It connected communities, facilitated trade, and boosted the region's economy. The tunnel was more than just a passageway. It was a lifeline for the local economy. Enabling the free flow of goods and services. Vehicles moved through it seamlessly, and the bustling trade activities near its entrance were a testament to its success. The tunnel was a testament to human ingenuity. The meticulous planning, the advanced technology, and the sheer determination of the construction workers all came together to create this engineering marvel. Every detail, from the reinforced concrete to the state-of-the-art ventilation system, was a result of careful consideration and expertise. But Arif knew progress came with a responsibility. As he stood there, he couldn't help but think about the impact of such a massive project. Progress was essential, but it had to be balanced with the well-being of the environment and the community. A responsibility to ensure it didn't come at the cost of the environment. Arif was deeply aware of the delicate balance that needed to be maintained. He participated in environmental impact assessments and advocated for conservation efforts to protect the natural beauty of the lake and its surroundings. He worked on implementing sustainable solutions in the tunnel's construction and operation. From using eco-friendly materials to incorporating sustainable technology, every effort was made to minimize the environmental footprint of the tunnel. Engineers and environmentalists collaborated to find innovative solutions that would ensure the tunnel's longevity without compromising the ecosystem. Minimizing its impact on the lake was paramount. The clear blue waters of Kaptai Lake and the pristine natural environment were treasures that needed to be preserved. Arif and his team were committed to protecting the wildlife and maintaining the ecological balance, ensuring that progress and nature could coexist harmoniously.
Section 9, Balancing Progress and Preservation. The lake became a symbol of the delicate balance. Progress and preservation intertwined. The dam provided electricity, but the lake's ecosystem needed protection. The tunnel connected communities, but its impact on the water had to be minimized. Rumana and Arif's work inspired others to find solutions that benefited both people and nature. The lake, once a symbol of loss, now represented hope. Hope for a future where progress and nature could thrive together. Section 10, Legacy of the Lake. Years passed and the seasons changed, painting the landscape with hues of green, gold, and white. Kaptai Lake continued to enchant and inspire, its waters reflecting the sky's ever-changing moods. The lake's serene beauty was a constant source of wonder. It became a hub for ecotourism, drawing visitors from far and wide. People came to experience its tranquility, to hike its trails, and to sail its waters. The museum, built on the shore, showcased the artifacts recovered from the depths. Each piece told a story, a fragment of the past brought to light. It told the story of the people who once called this place home. Their lives, their struggles, and their triumphs were preserved in the museum's halls. The lake was a living classroom. Students and tourists alike gathered to learn about the rich history and the delicate ecosystem of Kaptai Lake. A place where people learned about the past, appreciated the present, and worked towards a sustainable future. Conservation activities brought communities together, fostering a sense of responsibility and stewardship. The legacy of Kaptai Lake lived on, a testament to the resilience of nature and the power of human compassion. It stood as a symbol of harmony between humanity and the natural world, a beacon of hope for future generations.
Section 11. The Unending Exploration. Rumana and Arif, now with families of their own, returned to the lake. Their work was far from over.
They watched as their children, eyes filled with wonder, gazed at the lake's shimmering surface. The spirit of exploration burned bright.
New discoveries awaited beneath the waves, new stories waiting to be told.
The mysteries of Kaptai Lake were endless, and so the journey continued. A journey of exploration, conservation, and the harmonious coexistence of humanity and nature.